Oh man, the cheat. This is gonna be bro awesome. This thing's gonna shoot all the way up to Europa and bring us back a couple of European lobsters to grill up. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Look at it go! I can barely see it already. Oh.
Happy birthday, old stuff.
Hi.
I heard that you turned 40 this year.
40.
That's what I said.
We're making lobster.
Stabler? Robster Craws.
Oh, maybe we could have Robster Craws.
Fucking Robster Craws.
We went out and got our own Stabler. Large. Leon is getting larger.
Bad news. The fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
Oh, Leon's. They're getting larger. Actually, they're all grown up. I have to take a pussy kitten break. Look at this orange thing and a gray stuff. But anyway, that's not what this video is about as much as they want to be the stars of the program. Now we're going to make iced tea.
Where's my space lobster?
You start with regular water, sugar, under that is tea bags, and a whole bunch of ice from the Aldi ice machines in the Aldi Ambiano iced tea maker kind. So once that's all set, you press the button and turn it on. And in just a few seconds, you get a blang, and it lets you know that it's going to make iced tea. And there he goes. Has to heat the water for it to get cold again. So sort of wonderfully wasteful in that regard, but awesome at the same time. And there we are. Did you hear about the Indian chief that was found dead after drinking 50 gallons of tea? Yeah, they found him lying dead in his teepee. Har, har, har. You're well on your way to making pasta.
And that's all there is to making pasta.
It's definitely TPing. See that kind? Steaming up and all that. Fanciness. And look at all the tea. Look at all the tea. The tea pees in. And eventually it will be done. And when it's done, it's actually pretty cool. Almost done. And you wait, and eventually you shut off automatically. Just getting the last bit of water out. And now watch. I just love that puff of steam at the end like that. That's always awesome. And you just wait for him to stop peeing and give it a stir. It's cold, it's frosty on the outside kind, and there you go. Bob's your uncle, yeah?
And as fast as you can say, Bob's your uncle, Fatty's your aunt, you've got a beautiful homemade pesto sauce. Now all you need to do is pour it over your favourite pasta. Look at that. And you've got a beautiful homemade pesto pasta made from scratch in less than 10 seconds.
The cookings. Whoop, let's do that. And just some canned peas because they're handy. And in here is going to be the Stabler death pot. So that's on the burl right now. We're waiting. And we will get them burling. Oh, Daddy, I can almost taste the buttery claw meats now. Oh, the buttery claw meats. Oh, the buttery claw meats.
I can almost taste the buttery claw meats. Where'd you come from? Would you like to try a combo meal?
We even have our Stabler crackers over here. We bought this kit many years ago. from a Corningware Corel shop or something. 15 bucks. Has little butter containers and cracklers and little forkets and all kinds of stuff. Mommy with a lion. Oh, no more lion. Here he goes. We have a bag with stobblers. Oh, they look roaches. Wet thing on it to keep them moist.
Oh, and speaking of moist, I just read online that a lot of millennials hate that word, which is crazy. What am I supposed to say, adequately hydrated because you're sensitive? No, sorry, I'm going with moist. Moist, moist, moist.
And I think maybe, how should I get him out? Should I just take him? Yeah, maybe. Ah! Hello! Hello! I don't know what his white thing is.
Tentacle.
He's moving.
Of course he's moving.
Rather lethargic. Oh, I think he's starting to wake up.
Probably the ice.
Yes. But anyway, we have the pot of the boil. Let's see if I can snip these off. There we go. It's my $900 scissors.
From China?
No, these are the real deal. These are Cutco. Thanks for dinner.
Death pot.
Death pot. And then we'll get his brother over here. The other stoppler. Where is he? Oh, he's way in there. What?
He's in ice, right?
Well, there's a bag of ice water. Uh-oh. I think I gotta like tear the...
Cut the bag. There you go.
It's like unterable.
Well, that's good that he didn't tear himself out of the car.
Yeah. Oh, he's like really nestled in there. Oh, he's a feisty one. Hello! Alrighty. He's trying to claw. There's his brother.
Look
Oh
how
god, he's moving in there! Don't know!
Look how big his claws are.
Yeah,
They're
he's a
huge.
roaches one. Snip.
Huge. Absolutely huge.
And snip. Whoops.
Oh.
That's alright. The burner's not on. Oh. Shit. Yeah, I get his little rubber band there. Otherwise it flavors the water rubber. There we go. Okay. Thank you for dinner. Get in there. Down! Cook!
Down,
Bastard!
down, baby, down.
Down, down, down! Go, go, go! Mine, mine, mine!
It's not just for slime
His
anymore.
tentacle is there.
Don't do that.
Or is that an antenna? What is that?
It's a tenna.
Antenna.
Antenna TV, TV, how it was meant to be.
Oh, they're on the burl. Buttery claw meats.
Buttery clawmeats!
What's the deal? I knew it. He's going after the buttery claw meats. Oh, they look delicious.
It's the greatest day. Could you repeat that? I thought you just asked me to sever my leg. It's the greatest day. Sever my leg? It's the greatest day? I'm not sure I understand the transaction that's taking place here.
Oh, your big stoppers. Oh my. Very hot. Must wait. Must wait.
Do you want your rice and peas in a separate bowl?
No, on the plate's good.
Okay.
I knew it. Don't eat Mommy's dinner. No.
It's your dinner, too.
Get away.
They're huge.
Peas and rice and stobblers.
Sure has gotten my hunger all up in a dander.
Relinquish your pipes, please, fellas.
Relinquish our pipes? We'd love to.
Would you like to try a combo meal?
Sure, but no cheese and, extra sauce?
Deliciously ferocious garbage. Oh my god, a pussycat's dream. They ended up having some Stobler. These fat 2.5 pound Stoblers were... China was no match for them. Broke one of these. That's nice. Maybe it was broken and I didn't even know, but it has like a stupid rivet thing that goes through it and it gave out. I don't know where the other piece went. I'm thinking maybe a nut, a bolt and double nut might actually fix it. So I'll have to see about that. I'll experiment. And otherwise, let's go talk to the whiff.
That was amazing.
I liked it.
Buttery clawmeats. Delicious.
Yes. Look, it's even being a good moppy. How was your birthday, Stobler?
Fantastic.
Oh, good.
Bestest birthday ever.
Yay! See? That's what happens when you turn 40. You get old and shit. I didn't even have a beer yet. Just enjoyed the Stobler in that. You get old and shitty in that. And it sucks. And you just enjoy things for them just being there.
You have to embrace it.
Sometimes, yes. Oh, but the buttery clawmeats.
That's right.
Nom, nom, nom.
Buttery clawmeats.
Anyways, that's going to be it for this. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nice and smooth. 2 jam nuts. Works well. Won't come apart. If there's any problem, you can just tighten it back up. Phillips screw there. This is what I had handy. Same on this one. Nicey nice. Just like that. All fixed. Works beautiful once again.
Register does not contain more than 50 doctors.
Robster Craws.